Okay, for 2552 Willow Glen Drive, for furnace, I talked to the mechanical inspector today, and we talked about, new high efficiency furnace, and I put a 3-inch pipe here, just for illustration for possibly a proposed exhaust run. So, it'd come here, and then here's the bath fan exhaust, so we'd run it maybe up this chase here, and then out where the exhaust for the fan is, and that's 10 feet away from the intake for the house intake, return air, or external air that goes into the return, not for combustion. So I'd like to keep that there actually, so run the 3-inch pipe here for the exhaust, if that makes sense. I don't know if that is the ideal way, but that's kind of what I was thinking he was thinking.